hey, if you look at the time, it's after 6. Welcome back to After 6 Cocktails. Today we're gonna make a drink that I've never made before. The old Mr. Boston book that is now called the Mr. Boston Official Bartender's Guide 30 years, 70 years later, whatever. And it's called the After Dinner / After Supper Cocktail. It's shaken because it has citrus, and it has curacao / triple sec, lemon juice, and apricot brandy. Then that's the only thing I really know about it. I already have ice in the shaker. It's just to crack the ice. I don't have time for that. So we need a ½ ounce of lemon juice. I have this with the shot glasses. It's just straight lemon juice. Get the lemon juice, and an ounce each of these. So we'll do an ounce of triple sec, and an ounce of apricot brandy. It's one of the better smelling spirits / liqueurs out there. This is from Hiram Walker, the same brand as my triple sec. And we got shake this. And here we go. This is the after dinner / after supper cocktail. It's probably the terminology probably comes from 1930s / 40s slang. It's really good. I really like it. It's not too sweet and not too tart. I know it's titled the After Dinner Cocktail, but you could easily enjoy that as an aperitif. It's very light. It's not heavy at all. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.